Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix content not accessible on Roblox. So if you want to fix content not accessible on Roblox, these are the quick steps on how to get it done. First thing you have to do is make sure you ensure you are connected to internal connection. You can lock up on the Wi-Fi network, or you can simply use your data connection. After that, check the available update. If there's available update for Roblox on your phone, install the latest version from your Apple Store or your App Store. Once you do that, you can also restart your device if the content accessibility is not yet to be fixed. You can also restart your device, and also you can also clear some caches in your phone if possible, delete and delete unwanted file just to ensure like 20% of your storage. And also check the permission, ensure the app has required permission on your mobile device to run. And also, if that thing worked out at the same time, just try and log out and log in again to refresh the section by logging in again. Once you do that, you can also check the restriction, check if there's a verified restriction. If there is, adjust the parental control, and once you do that, you can restart the app again. You can also check the server status by just simply go to the Roblox status page or for out page. Try and guess if you can seek for help, and also you can uninstall the app, uninstall it and install it again just for a fresh start. And you can also reach out to the Roblox support. If all this doesn't work out, then you need to refer to them for help. And that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.